Good afternoon, everyone. I hope so. You all are fine. So today I have to start exercise 6.8, but before that I want to explain you the types of the fraction. So basically the fractions are of three types which we are taking in this exercise. First is the proper fraction, then improper fraction, and then mixed fraction. So first we will talk about the proper fraction. What is proper fractions? In which that numerator value is less than with the denominator. If you will see the numerator is less than denominator, then we will say that is the proper fraction. Like here 5 by 9, 2 by 4, 11 by 15, so on. Here you can see numerator value is less than denominator, so this is proper fraction. In improper fraction you will find that numerator value should be greater than denominator. So look here, 3 upon 2, 9 upon 5, 16 upon 14, so on. Here you can see the numerator values are greater than denominator. In mixed fraction, you can see that will be the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number means a complete number. Like this you can see here, this is 4, 3, 2. What we call these type of number? Whole numbers. And with this proper fraction is there. Proper fraction means numerator value is less than with the denominator. So this combination is known as the what? Mixed fraction. You can see here, this is the whole number and this is the fraction. So this we call the mixed fraction. Now I will start the exercise 6.8. Okay, now question number A, change the given improper fraction to mixed numbers. Improper fraction means where you will get that numerator value is greater than the denominator, right? So here you can see 9 upon 4, 9 is greater than 4, right? Denominator. So this we have to convert into mixed number. So how to convert? You have to divide this one. Like 9 numerator we have to divide with the denominator. So you can see 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. So in mixed fraction, what is the form of the mixed fraction? Quotient we will write here at the place of the whole number, and then numerator means remainder we will write, and denominator means this divisor by which we are dividing, that will come. So what is the value of the quotient here? 2. So 2 will come in the whole number. 1 is the remainder, so 1 numerator will come, and 4 by which we are dividing, that is 4. So this is the form of the mixed fraction, 2 1 by 4. Now next one, 5 by 2, divide here, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1. So this 2, the quotient will come in the place of whole number, and then fraction means remainder and divisor. So this is 1 by 2. Third is 7 by 3. So 7 we are dividing by 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 2. 2 quotient, 2 will come at the place of whole number, remainder will come in the numerator, and divisor at the denominator. So mixed fraction is 2 1 by 3. Now I am explaining the sixth part is 14 upon 5. Divide here. 5 2s are 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So 2 in the quotient. So 2 will come at place of here whole number. 4 remainder. So 4 will come in numerator, and denominator the divisor. So 5 here. So this is 2 and 4 by 5. Next is 11 by 4. So divide here. 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 3. So 3, the remainder will come in the numerator. Quotient 2 will come at the place of whole number, and 4 by which we are dividing, so that will come in the denominator, right? So like this you can do. Last part also there, see 20 by 3. So divide here, 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18, what? 2. So 2 is the remainder, so it will come on top numerator place. Denominator what? 3 will come, because 3 we are divided, 3 is the divisor here, and 6 quotient will come at the place of whole number. So this is the form of the mixed number. After question number A, now see question number B is change the given mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now we are converting to mixed fraction to improper fraction. So method is, what we have to do, firstly we will multiply the whole number with the denominator. What will come in that, we will add the numerator, and downward we have to write the denominator. So see here, so this whole number multiply by 4. So this 1 multiply by 4 and add this numerator plus 1 and divide denominator 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5, divide by 4. So this is the improper fraction. Now next one, see, denominator multiply with the whole number. So 1 into 3 plus add this numerator plus 2. So and divisor, this one downward will come denominator. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 divide by 3. So what will come? 5 by 3. Now see the next part. 2 and 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. So denominator and whole number we have to multiply, and then we have to add the numerator. So 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. and divide by 2. So what will be the answer? 5 by 2. Now the fourth part is 2 1 by 4. Multiply numerator, denominator and the whole number. 4 2s are 8 and add 1 this 9. So you can see 4 2 4s are 8 plus 1 divide by 4. So 8 plus 1 divide by 4, it means 9 by 4. Now next part is 2 3 by 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. You can see we are multiplying firstly the whole number and the denominator, and then we are adding the numerator. So like this we will come. Now see the seventh part is 3 1 by 2. So multiply numerator, denominator and the whole number. 3 2s are 6. So you can see here 3 2s are, then add 1. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1. What will come? 7 by 2. Now here 3 3s are 9. You can see here 3 3s are 9. Then plus 2. Right. Now 9 plus 2 11 divided by 3. So like this you can do question number B also. Now what we have to do in C question, write the given whole numbers as a fraction. Now we have to convert into the fraction. A whole number is given, like this is 2 3 5 and 7. We have to convert into the fraction. Fraction means in the form of numerator and the denominator. So what we will do, with the same number we will multiply the numerator and the denominator, right? Like 2 by 2 we are multiplying in this 2. So what will come? 2 2s are 4. Add down nothing, so 2 as it is. So 4 by 2 is the fraction. Same here, 3 we are multiplying with 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is the fraction. So 3 2s are 6, add down 2. So 6 by 2 is the fraction. Now 5 into 2 by 2. 5 2s are 10, divide by 2, 10 by 2. 7 multiply 2 by 2. So 7 2s are 14 and divide 2. So 14 by 2 is the fraction. Right? Simple this is. With the same number you have to multiply and the divide. Now D part. Write the given fraction as a whole number. Now we are converting in the whole number. So what we will do? Divide simply. So 4 divided by 2. So divide here. 2 2s are 4. So whatever the quotient will come, that will be the whole number. So whole number is 2. Same here. 6 we are dividing with 2. 2 3s are 6. So 3 is the whole number. Now 6 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 2 is the whole number. Now here 9 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 is the whole number. Simple. So like this you can complete C and D part also. So please complete your work in the notebook and do practice of the same. Fine everyone. Thank you.